Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. This is another one of the PJ's iFind uKeep videos. Now I've got a full money bag full of rolls next to me just off camera. And basically today I'm not going to be set on exactly what rolls I open up, but I do have multiple rolls in this bag and it's basically a lucky dip. So whatever roll comes out is what we're going to be doing. So our first roll is a dollar roll. So we'll start with the dollar coins and then I'll stick my hand back in and hopefully see what we can pull out next. So as I said, iFind uKeep. This is our third video in this series. So episode 3. And basically very, very simple. I go through coins. Whatever I find during this hunt no longer belongs to me, but belongs to the winner, which I would choose based on a question that I ask in this video that I'll need you to respond with. And then I will choose a winner and they will take away all the coins that I deem suitable and collectible. So we'll go through, see if we can find anything of additional value. That's essentially, or something that is low mintage that may have some future value. Those kinds of things. Now I did do some noodling by myself off camera, and I have actually found a few coins, not in this batch of coins that I've picked up today, but in another batch. And if this hunt gets a little bit low, I might add a few of those in there. U2000, but unfortunately it's not a mule coin. Alright. 2016. And a 2008. Alright, back into the bag. Got a 50-cent roll. Alright, so I did ask a bit of a question in my last video in relation to how you want me to go about opening up these rolls, and I do thank you very much for the response I got to that, because I do want to try and make the videos as entertaining as possible, as well as try and get through as many coins as possible. And in some ways that's a little bit difficult to do when you're opening up multiple rolls, but the overwhelming majority of you want me to stick with the formula that we go with, where I just open up the rolls as I come across them, and I'm more than happy to just keep doing that if you guys are more than happy to persist and watch sometimes as I struggle to get through those rolls. Alright, no incused, and it's not a fat letter version, so Millennium coin there. This one's got a little cud. Are people interested in little cuds? This is the most common cud you'll find. We'll put it aside because maybe somebody hasn't found one of those before and would like to keep it. So that will be our first coin. Or I just saw our second coin. Alright, we haven't had one of these in one of the hunts, and this is quite a nice looking one as well. Victoria Federation coin, nice Federation 50-cent coin from 2001. Certainly worth a few dollars, maybe $3 to $5. This one's in very nice condition for its age, so that becomes a certain keeper every day of the week. That coin is a keeper. Alright, 1979, but no double bar on that one. So yeah, as I was saying, we're going to keep going the way we're going. We're going to open up rolls. This is another one. This isn't necessarily a low mintage, but fairly difficult to find. I'll just check what the mintage was on the 2016 changeover. 2016 changeover, 7 million. Look, we'll chuck it in. Why not? Alright. Okay. Alright, next roll. Oh, we got a $2 coin. Roll. So we just scatter these ones about, look for colour. I'm not going to go through each of the dates. Nothing super shiny, which means not necessarily new, but we don't mind finding a purple or something like that that's not super shiny. That would come out, that would be very nice. But no, I'm not seeing any colour. I won't spend the time looking for a 2011. Alright, we'll push those aside. Nothing worth spending too much time on that one. Next roll, we got another 50, guys. 50s have been successful in this hunt so far. Oh, another one. I shouldn't have cut my fingernails. Alright. Alright, let's get to the question. This is what you need to help me with. It's actually you're helping me, okay? So what I probably have been struggling with is, obviously I need comments on these videos in order to be able to pick a winner. And in order to be able to pick a winner, I need to come up with a topic of something that I'd like you guys to comment on. So I need help with that. So I thought this one here, so this comment, I won't put this one in there, but there's another one there. Exactly the same coin with another little cud there. All right, we've already put one in, so we won't bother putting another one in. But basically, I want you to help me out by listing questions that you think I should ask as potential questions that people can answer and that I can draw a winner from. All right, hopefully you understand that. So like I did last week, what else do you collect? That was something. Oh, we got another good one, guys. Here's a Western Australian. I'm just going to interrupt myself again. A Western Australian coat of arms as such. So centenary of Federation. So that'll go along with our Victorian one. So what's that $2 coin doing there? All right, there we go. So this is certainly turning into a good 50-cent hunt. So basically, yeah, I need suggestions. This one doesn't have the cut. See that there? Underneath the robe. So no robe cud on that one there. So I need suggestions that'll help me, and I won't use them all. But obviously I'll pick out a few that I do want to use in the future, but I'll choose one from this one that'll win basically the coins that we've collected so far and any others we find in the remainder of this hunt. All right, so I may end up using your question in the future, but that doesn't mean that you're the winner this time, okay? So, but yeah, let me know a question that you would like me to ask the viewers that they can answer, leave a comment, and then be part of the draw. So try and keep it related to collecting or numismatics or coins or yeah, that kind of thing. You know, come up with something that you think people would be interested in responding with, and that'll be helpful. And yeah, make sure you like the video, okay? Because we need lots of people to come along and see that we're giving away coins. And like I said, anything I find, even if it is a mule, as much as that'll hurt me, because I haven't been a mule in a very long time, we will be giving it away. So this hunt is for you guys. But I do want to do some videos, and I'm going to do some videos where I don't give away the coins, okay? So those videos will come up, and we'll just be more specific about what we go through. But anyway, I'll leave it out there to you guys. Come up with a question for another video that I can get those guys to answer, and we can have more winners in future videos. Alright, well, we're not having much luck with the dollar coins so far. Dollar coins, you can normally get a good hit on something. So a few new releases came out from the Royal Australian Mint in the past week or so. How did you guys go? Were you able to get any of those particular coins? Were you interested in any of the coins? The Bathurst coin I was unsuccessful in getting, and to be honest, I wasn't really interested in the ACDC coins, so I gave those a miss. But yeah, would have liked to have got myself a Bathurst coin. Alright, what's the next one? 20-cent roll. This is, it must be right down the bottom. I went deep in the bag this time. So if we don't find anything decent in our next dollar roll, I'm going to add a coin in from my previous hunt, 2001. $67, 2000. Hoping a 1966 pops up that we can flip over and hopefully find a wavy. Boy. So all these coins I'm flicking past are all coins that are very common and have no other appeal other than their face value. Nope. Alright, I'm going to find a dollar roll, and we're going to do a dollar roll. Hopefully I can find one. There's one. Not so random, this one. But if we don't find something, I'm going to add something to the pile. Stay. Alright. So yeah, last time we found a couple of rabbit ears, which I hadn't found for a very long time. So it was great to find both in the same roll, and they were given away, and the winner has received their coins. So thanks for letting me know that, Inclination. There's a nice shiny one. What year we got? 2016. No rabbit ears. Alright, looks like we're going to be adding something from my stash. Alright, I've got a couple of coins here, just got to grab them out. Alright, we're going to add in this one. This is what I found while noodling a Matilda's coin. 2023. Found in circulation, so we'll add that one into the pile of keepers. Let's do a $2 roll. What have we got? Anything? No, I'm not seeing anything worth keeping in that roll. Alright, let's do another $2 roll. If there's nothing in this one, I've got another $2 coin sitting there that I found in a previous roll. We'll grab that one and chuck it in. No, doesn't appear to be anything in that lot there. Alright, we'll push those aside. Alright, I've got one here that I found in the roll. What have we got? It's a Dorothy the Dinosaur $2 coin. So we've had lots of new people coming on board to the channel. which I really do appreciate you guys leaving a comment. And so I think, there'll be people who are watching this video that don't have any of these coins. So some of us might have all of them, but there'll certainly be people who are new to collecting and would love to get their hands on any of these coins. So I'm pleased to give them away. But make sure you do leave a comment, and make sure it is a question, and we will. I didn't open them up right, did I? All right, let's see what we can find. Oh. Funny thing is, if we hadn't have found something like this in this roll, I was going to add one in. That was the next coin I was going to add in, which I had just found. So there we have it there. So that one there is the Premiership, AFL Premiership Cup there. So we will put that in as a keeper, and we'll just go through these really quickly because I messed up the roll and wasn't thinking about stacking them up. If I'm doing it for myself, I don't stack them up, and I think I went into that sort of mindset of as if I was just noodling for myself. All right, there's another 2,000, but not a mule. One day, guys, one day it'll happen, and I wonder if it'll be on camera or whether it'll be just in my noodling video, not a giveaway video, or a giveaway video would be awesome. All right, well, I think that's where we're going to wrap up this video. We've gone through quite a few rolls and had some success. So there it is there. We've got there probably the two prize coins there, the Federation coins, both in very nice condition, and certainly a couple of the newer dollar coins. Small little error coin there, but yeah, quite happy with that. And yeah, leave a comment exactly as described in this video. Make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you are subscribed, and I'll be picking a winner very soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.